Could write some kind of love song for you to prove to you.
Here.
Like I eat.
Listen, if we're gonna feed the noises, we gotta replenish blood plasma and shit.
Really? Like it's a fucking gremlin or something. Sam's birthday.
Think of that time
I think 6th grade.
A
Fucking Corey Feldman movie marathon. And what was it? Friday the 13th, part 7.
Part 4.
Whatever. And then the Gremlins. And that one, the little mutant kid.
The Goonies.
Goonies. He's such a beautiful little weirdo.
He insists on watching that shit, and he worries he's gonna go to hell.
No more staying out all night.
What?
No more
What happened to
killing
us?
ourselves just to make ourselves feel alright.
I don't know why you're like this, Rory.
No more sleeping with strangers.
It's only gonna get worse as you get older.
Goodbye.
Everything you love will go away. That's the only thing I ever really learned from my parents.
I never had much family. Never had.
Got something to show you.
So what are we talking? I don't want acid. I'm done with acid. It's a state of mind kind of thing. I mean, I want like a full body high. My cousin says MDMA is, she recommends it.
If this noise were liquid, it'd be that shit they fed to Greek heroes before they let them into heaven.
Who fed who to what, Rory?
Mr. Evander's class, I don't pay attention.
Okay, so
Well, I don't have it here. That's what I'm saying.
it's close.
Yeah.
I've seen love fly out my door. Never been this close before. Never been too easy, you're so slow. Shooting in the dark too long. When something's not right, it's wrong. You're gonna make me lonesome when you go.
Don't you see what this is? It's too close to being reawakened. And we, you and me, we're the last. We are the last offerings, Rory.